Hi, in this video I'm going to give an overview of how to multiply and divide sign numbers. You learned this skill in detail in 6th grade math, so this video really serves as a quick reminder as to how to perform these calculations. If you'd like more information or more detail as to why these rules make sense, go see your math teacher. These are your notes from class that you took on multiplying and dividing sign numbers. We'll talk about them here. You recall if the signs are the same of the two numbers you're multiplying or dividing, the answer is positive. So if I had -7 times -3, I find the operation, I'm multiplying the two numbers. The signs are the same, so the answer is positive, and 7 times 3 is 21. Another example, -72 divided by -4. Here's my operation. I'm dividing two negative numbers. Those are the same sign, so my answer is positive. Now I have to figure out how many times 4 goes into 72. It goes in 18 times, so my answer is positive 18. Final example, -2 1/4 times -1 1/15. Again, here's my operation and my signs. I'm multiplying two negative numbers, so the answer is going to be positive. To find the number, I'll multiply those two numbers, 2 1/4 times 1 1/15. I can ignore the negatives here because I've already decided my answer is going to be positive. Now I just have to do the calculation. I make these improper. I see that there's some simplifying I can do. 4 goes into 4 once, and 16 4 times. 3 goes into 9 15, and 3 goes into 5 5 times. Gives me 12 over 5, or 2 2/5. There's another video online about this process, multiplying mixed numbers, if you forget how to do that. So my answer is positive 2 2/5. Let's look at when the signs are different. If the two numbers you're multiplying and dividing are different signs, one is positive, one is negative, then the answer is negative. So -12 times +3. I'm multiplying. The signs are different. I have a negative and a positive. So my answer is going to be negative, and 12 times 3 is 36. Another example, 2 2/15 divided by -18 25. I see I'm dividing. I see this is negative. This doesn't have a sign on it. Recall that when a number doesn't have a sign on it, the number is positive. So I'll put in that positive. I see now I'm dividing numbers with different signs, so the answer will be negative. Now I have to do the division. I can ignore the signs here because I already know the answer is going to be negative. I make them improper. 15 times 2 is 30, plus 2 is 32. This can just stay 18 over 25, stay, change, flip. 32 over 15 times 25 over 18. We can do some simplifying. 5 goes into both of these 3 times and 5 times. 2 goes into both of these 9 times and 16 times. Now I'm ready to multiply. 16 times 5 is 80. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 goes into 82 times, because 27 times 3 is 81. So that's 2 and 26 27ths. Bring it up here. I already decided that it was negative. So I got -2 and 26 27ths. One last example of just bringing all this together. Let's take the problem in parentheses. -6 times -4 divided by -3 squared. Now we have to do what's in parentheses first, and multiplication and division are equal operations, so I do the one that comes first. I'm multiplying a negative and a negative, so that answer is positive. So this is positive 24 divided by -3, all squared. Now I'll do this operation. I see that it's a division between a negative and a positive. Those are different signs, so the answer will be negative. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. Now I'm squaring this number, which means to multiply it by itself. I'm multiplying two negatives, which will give me positive, and 8 times 8 is 64. Hope this video was helpful in reminding you how to multiply and divide signed numbers. Thanks for watching.